take the given binary number, that is 1001.1111. Okay, ma? So now this is converted into octal number. Okay, so how to convert this? Here 1001.1111. Okay, so now 3 digits in binary number is equal to 1 digit in octal number. Okay, that is known. So this is the integer part. This will be totally integer part. This is fractional part. Okay, ma? Now for this integer part, from the least significant bit, group the least 3 digits as one group. Okay, so here only 1 bit is remaining. So what about the 2? Ikkada manam 3 bits ni manam group cheyali annam kadamma. So ikkada 3 bits group complete అయిపోతే ikkada only 1 bit మాత్రమే remaining undi. So what about the other? Those will be taking as zeros. Okay, ma? Those will be taking as zeros. And if we are adding any zeros to the left side of the integer part, then the value is not changed. Okay, so for the fractional part, from this bit to group the 3 digits. So here also 1 bit is remaining. Okay, ma, 1 bit is remaining. So what about the other 2 bits? Right side, adding zeros. So without changing the value, we are doing any modifications. Okay, so if you are adding 2 zeros on the right side for this fractional part, so the value is not changed. So no problem here. Okay, ma? So now we are grouping 3 bits. Now what is the equivalent 001? 1. Okay, the equivalent octal number for 001 is 1. Again 1 will be there. 001. So here also 1. Point. Okay, ma? 111. So what is the octal equivalent for 111? 7. Okay, ma? Next 100. What is the octal equivalent here? 4. Okay, na? So this octal equivalent is 11.74. Okay, ma? In this way we are getting this answer. Okay, na? Next, here the octal number is given. Convert this into binary number. Okay, for all these you must and should learn this table. Then only you will do this conversion. Okay, if you thorough about this coding here in this table, then easily you convert from octal to binary and binary to octal. Okay, ma? See the next one. Here 47.3 with base 8. That means this is octal number given. This will be converted into binary. So how to convert that? Here 47.3. Okay, ma? That means 4, 7, 3. So what are the equivalent digit? That means for 4, what is the binary equivalent? 100 is the binary equivalent for 4. For 7, 111 is the binary equivalent. Okay. Point. For 3, 011 is the binary equivalent. So what is the resultant we are getting? See the resultant. 100.111.011. See the result here. Okay, 100.111.011 with base 2. Okay, ma? Next, take the third problem here. So what is the third problem? 1010011.11011. This is the given binary number. Now this will be converted into octal. How to convert octal? See here. Take that number. 100, sorry, 101.11011. Okay, now group three digits. So integer part వచ్చేసి ఎలా గ్రూప్ చేస్తామమ్మా, ఫ్రమ్ ద లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్ నుంచి గ్రూప్ చేస్తామమ్మా ఇంటీజర్ పార్ట్ కి. ఓకేనా, ఫర్ ద ఇంటీజర్ పార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ డిజిట్, ఈ డిజిట్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తామమ్మా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ one group. This is another group. One is remaining. So we are adding 2 zeros on the left side. 001. 001. Okay, ma. Next for the fractional part from this side, starting from this side. So 110. Next 11. 2 bits ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా. So third bit కోసం మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? We are adding 0 here. Okay na? So now this will be 001. The equivalent is 1. 010. The equivalent is 2. 011. The equivalent is 3.110 means the equivalent octal is 6. 110, that is also 6. Okay, ma? So what is the resultant? 123.66. See here, the answer is 123.66. Okay, na? Are you understand here how to convert binary to octal and octal to binary? Okay, ma? So group 3 digits in binary is equal to 1 digit in octal. That is, remember. Okay. So now this is the conversion from octal to binary and binary to octal. The next one is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system, binary to hexadecimal conversion. Here, grouping the binary position in 4-bit groups starting from the least significant bit position. That means here, hexadecimal means what is the base for hexadecimal? 16. Okay. What is the base for binary? 2. Okay, na? Here, the base for binary is 2. That's why here, how to get 16 from the 2? 2 power 4 equal to 16. Okay, ma? 2 power 4 equal to 16. That's why here we are getting 4 digits in binary number system is equal to 1 digit in hexadecimal number system. Okay. So if you see here, hexadecimal means the digits used are 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay. Here groups of 4 bits represent each base 16 digit. Okay, now see here. Hexadecimal means 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. So equivalent decimal, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C equal to 12, D equal to 13, E equal to 14, F equal to 15. Okay, ma? So these are the equivalent binary codes for these given hexadecimal codes. Okay. So you remember these binary numbers. How to get these binary numbers? ఈ బైనరీ నంబర్స్ ఎలా వచ్చాయమ్మా అంటే హియర్ యూ విల్ టేక్ ద కోడ్ 8421. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ద లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్ ఈజ్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ విత్ 2 power 0. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ చూడమ్మా, మనం ప్రీవియస్ గా బైనరీ టు డెసిమల్ కన్వర్షన్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా, హౌ టు కన్వర్ట్ బైనరీ టు డెసిమల్ నంబర్. సో హియర్ ద లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్ ఈజ్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ విత్ 2 power 0. Next bit is multiplied with 2 power 1. Next bit is multiplied with 2 square. Next bit is multiplied with 2 cube. And you remember that? So here, how to convert the binary number into octal? Suppose if you are having 1001. Okay, this is the number. How to convert this into decimal here? 1001. Okay, so now this will be converted into here 2 power 0. This will be 0. 2 power 0. 2 power 1. Okay, 2 square. 2 cube. Okay, ma? 2 cube. Sorry. Here if you are taking 1001. Okay, so the here this 1 is multiplied with 2 power 0. 0 is multiplied with 2 power 1. 0 is multiplied with 2 square. 1 is multiplied with 2 cube. Then what is the result we are getting? What is the result? 1 into 2 cube means 1 into 8 plus 0 into 2 square. That means 0 into 4 plus 0 into 2 power 1. That is 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 power 0 means that is 1. Okay. So what is the resultant? 1 into 8 is equal to 8 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. Okay. So what is the resultant? We are getting 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. That is 9. Okay. In this way, we are getting for 1001, the equivalent code is 9. See here. See, for 1001, the equivalent decimal is 9 and hexadecimal is also 9. Okay. And you remember this? So binary to decimal conversion, like that we are getting. That means each least significant bit is multiplied with 2 power 0. Next bit is multiplied with 2 power 1. Next bit 2 power square, that is 2 square, that is 4. Next bit is multiplied with 8. Okay. So that means like that if we are multiplying 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. 8, 4, 2, 1 code. This will be. So now how to remember this? How to remember? Suppose if you are taking 5, how to get 5 from this? How to get 5? 4 plus 1 is 8. Sorry, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, ma? 4 plus 1 is 5. That means first bit is 0, 1, 0, 1. See here at the 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. Starting from 0. Chudamma 0. 0 ante all are zeros. Next 1. How to get 1? Only 1 daggara maatrame 1 undali. Remaining ivanni zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Next 2. How to get 2? At 2 position only 1. Remaining bits 3 bits. Ikkada 2 bits zeros. E bit 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0. How to get 3? 2 plus 1 is 3. So 0, 0, 1, 1. Next 4. Only at 4 only we are getting 1. So 0, 1, 0, 0. Next 5. 4 plus 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. 6. How to get 6? 4 plus 2 is 6. That's why 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, ma? 7. How to get 7? 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. So 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, ma? 0, 1, 1, 1. Next 8. So only one bit is sufficient here. 8 is there. That's why 1, 0, 0, 0. 9. How to get 9? 8 plus 1. 9 means 8 plus 1. Okay. So 1, 0, 0, 1. 9. 9 means 8 plus 1. Next A. Hexadecimal A. That means in hexadecimal A is equal to decimal 10. Aunama? A is equal to decimal 10. That's why how to get 10? 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. That means 1, 0, 1, 0. Next B. B means that is equivalent to 11. So how to get 11? 8 plus 2 plus 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, Amma? Next C. C means is equivalent to 12. How to get 12? 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, na? Manaki anni numbers ee 4 digits nunche vastayamma. Okay, na? 12. 8 plus 4 equal to 12. So 1, 1, 0, 0. Next is D. D means that is equivalent to 13. That is equivalent to 13. So how to get 13? 8 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, na? 8 plus 4 plus 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1. Next E. E means 14. So 8 plus 4 plus 2, 14. So 1, 1, 1, 0. F means that is equivalent to 15. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 15. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. In this way, we are getting these binary numbers. Okay, Amma? So by using this 8421 code, we are easily remembering this table. Avuna? ఈ కోడ్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఈజీగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు అమ్మా ఈ టేబుల్ ని. ఓకేనా? So now how to convert this hexadecimal into binary and binary to hexadecimal. Okay, if you remember this table, then you will easily convert the binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary conversions here. Okay, so see here, convert the following numbers into their hexadecimal equivalent and vice versa. Chudamma, here one example will be there. What is that example? 1000.1 with base 2. With base 2 means that indicates the binary number. Now this will be converted into hexadecimal. So how to convert hexadecimal number? So the given number is 100.1. Okay. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంటీజర్ పార్ట్ అయితే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ జీరోస్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, ఫ్రాక్షనల్ పార్ట్ అయితే రైట్ సైడ్ జీరోస్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. సో పెట్టుకున్నా కానీ మనకి వాల్యూస్ ఏమి చేంజ్ కావమ్మా. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ గ్రూప్స్. సో గ్రూప్ చేయాలి. ఎలా గ్రూప్ చేయాలి? ఫర్ ఇంటీజర్ పార్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్. అవునమ్మా? సో ఇటు సైడ్ నుంచి మనం 4 డిజిట్స్ ని ఒక గ్రూప్ చేయాలి. సో 4 digits. ఓకే, సో ఓన్లీ 1 bit విల్ బి దేర్ హియర్. ఓన్లీ ఒక్కటి మిగిలిపోయిందమ్మా. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం 4 bits ని కంపల్సరీ గ్రూప్ చేయాలి కదా. సో ఒకటి మిగిలిపోయింది. సో వాట్ అబౌట్ ద 3 bits హియర్? దోస్ 3 bits విల్ బి టేకింగ్ యాజ్ 3 zeros. Okay, ma. Next here, fractional part, only one bit will be there. So the 3 digits will be taking as zeros. Okay, ma. So now what is the equivalent? 0, 0, 0, 1? That is 1. 0, 0, 0, 0 means that is 0.1000. This equivalent hexadecimal is 8. Okay, ma. So 10.8 is the given, is the resultant hexadecimal for the given binary number. Okay, ma. So this is the result we are getting. Okay, na. Next one, 1f dot c, 1f point c with base 16. That means this is converted into binary. How to convert? See, 1 f point c. So 1 means what is the equivalent binary for 1? 0, 0, 0, 1. Yeah. For f, what is the equivalent? 1, 1, 1. Point. F means 15, kadamma. So for 15, we are getting the binary equivalent 1, 1, 1, 1. Point C. C means 12. 12. 12 means that binary equivalent is 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, ma. So this is the result we are getting. See. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 point 1, 1, 0, 0. See here. Okay. This is the resultant. In this way, we are getting the resultant binary equivalent for the given hexadecimal numbers. Okay, ma. So in this way, we are converting binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary. Okay, ma. Suppose in any conversions, if we are giving how to convert octal to hexadecimal. Octal to hexadecimal find out cheyamannanu anukunnamma. How to easily find out octal to hexadecimal? See here. Octal to hexadecimal and vice versa. Okay, how to convert? That means take one example here. So suppose if the given number is octal number, that is 34.71. Okay. Here the base for this is 8. Okay, ma. The base for this is 8. Okay. Now this is the given octal number. How to convert this into hexadecimal? So చూడండి ఈజీగా మనం ఎలా చేయొచ్చు అంటే, so first write down the octal number, that is 34.71. Okay. First that will be converted into binary. Okay. Easily we are converting. So that means octal to binary means 1 digit in octal is equal to 3 digits in binary. Okay. So for 3, we are getting 0, 1, 1. For 4, 1, 0, 0. Point. For 7, 1, 1, 1. For 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, Nama. So this is the binary equivalent for the given octal. Now this will be grouped. So the same will be right. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0.001. Okay, ma? Okay. 34.71. For the given 34.71 octal number, the equivalent binary is, this is the equivalent binary. Now this will be converted into hexadecimal. So how to convert hexadecimal? So hexadecimal means one bit in hexadecimal is equal to 4 bits in binary. So group 4 bits 1 1 1 0 oka group amma. Next 0 1 1 1 oka group. So what is the remaining here? 0. So 0 means that will be left. Okay. So suppose if ikkada manam 4 bits oka group cheyalanna gani, so ikkada manam em pettukuntam 3 zeros pettukuntam. Avuna? Adding 3 zeros here. So 3 zeros pettukunna, totally 4 zeros kabatti that is equivalent to 0. Totally we are getting. Okay na? For the fractional part 4 bits pettali kabatti compulsory ikkada right hand side oka 0 pettukovali, endukante 4 bits kadamma. Hexadecimal ki convert cheyali ante binary to hexadecimal. 4 bits in binary is equivalent to 1 bit in hexadecimal. That is remembered here. Okay. సో అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమవుతుంది 0 0 1 0 ఒక 0 కంపల్సరీ పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో హియర్ దిస్ బిట్ ఈస్ 0 టోటలీ. హియర్ 1 1 1 0 దట్ మీన్స్ 14. అవునా? 1 1 1 0 మీన్స్ 14. 14 మీన్స్ what is the equivalent hexadecimal? E. 0 1 1 1 what is the equivalent hexadecimal? 7.0010. The equivalent hexadecimal is 2. Okay, 2. So what is the resultant hexadecimal? E7.2. అంటే సో 34.71 అనే ఆక్టల్ నంబర్ ని హెక్సాడెసిమల్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? రిజల్టెంట్ E7.2. ఓకేనా? E7.2. In this way we are converting octal to hexadecimal. ఓకే మా? సపోజ్ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ టు ఆక్టల్ అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. ఫస్ట్ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ నుంచి బైనరీకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత బైనరీ టు ఆక్టల్ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? ఆక్టల్ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇవి కన్వర్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకు గుర్తుండాల్సింది ఏంటమ్మా? One digit in octal is equal to 3 digits in binary. That means 3 bits amma. Okay na? That means in the sense 3 bits in the binary. 1 bit in octal is equal to 3 bits in binary. Okay. Next 1 bit in hexadecimal is equal to 4 bits in binary. అంటే మనం గ్రూప్స్ ఎలా చేసుకోవాలి అనేది మీకు గుర్తుంటే దెన్ యూ విల్ ఈజీలీ కన్వర్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆక్టల్ టు హెక్సాడెసిమల్ అండ్ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ టు ఆక్టల్. ఓకే. సో up to these conversions from one number system to another number system is completed. Okay ma? So all of you practice this, then only you will remember these conversions. Okay. Okay ma, thank you.